You see the uniform, you see the medals, you see the confidence, but what you don't see is what it took to earn it. So let me ask you something. Could you survive US Army training? I'm not talking about a workout. I'm talking about weeks of pressure. Early mornings, heavy packs, no excuses. Because before someone becomes a soldier, they go through something that changes them forever. It starts the moment recruits step off that bus. No more comfort, no more civilian mindset. Within hours, haircuts, uniforms. Structure. Drill sergeants don't ease you in. They flip the switch. You move when you're told. You speak when spoken to. You learn fast, or you struggle. And trust me, a lot of people struggle. But that shock, it's intentional. They're breaking bad habit so they can build discipline. Every single morning starts early. And I mean early. Physical training isn't just about strength. It's about endurance, miles of running, obstacle courses, carrying 40 to 60-pound rucksacks for miles. Your legs burn. Your lungs feel like they're on fire. And just when you think you're done, you're not. But here's the crazy part, and after a few weeks, your body adapts. You get stronger. You stand taller. You start believing you can actually handle it. Physical training is only half the story. The real test, mental toughness. Recruits learn weapons handling, combat drills, battlefield communication, but more importantly, they learn accountability. If one person messes up, the whole squad pays for it, and that's where brotherhood is born. You stop thinking me, you start thinking we. That's the moment a civilian becomes part of something bigger. If you respect this kind of discipline and want real military breakdowns like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We break down what most people never get to see. Then comes field training. Little sleep, cold nights, live fire exercises. You crawl through mud. You react under pressure. You make decisions fast. And this is where doubt hits hardest. Some recruits quit, but the ones who stay, they find something inside themselves they didn't know existed. By the end of it, they don't walk the same. They don't think the same. They've earned the title, soldier. Not because it was easy, but because they refused to quit. That's how US soldiers are trained. Not born warriors, built through discipline, forged through pressure, united through brotherhood. So I'll ask you again, could you do it? If you respect our troops and want more inside looks like this, hit subscribe and join us.